Hey cuties, welcome. These are my entire acrylic colors I'm going to use on my painting. I would like to use my sky with some blue and lavender shades. I spray a little bit of water on my paper as well as on my color. It is 300 GSM paper, so this is so hard. So I would like to avoid my paper for a better result because the paper absorbs the color very nicely. After finishing the sky, I am going to make some pink clouds. Okay, fine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my painting. Hope you like my painting. If you like, please subscribe and stay with me. See you next time. Bye bye.